All right, this week we're going to take a look at doing some video capture so you can make videos of what you've done either in the scene or in the game in Unity. So I think the best way to do it is just get something from the asset store. So let's go ahead and click on Window, go to Asset Store, and I'm going to look up video capture. And you're going to see a host of them, and they range from free to, well, a decent amount of money. And to be honest, they're kind of worth it. Eventually, you're going to need them if you're going to do a Kickstarter or something like that. I looked at these two in particular. The reason why I looked at these two in particular were they were free underneath them, so that you could use them as well. I think the AVP or the AV Pro was a little easier to use than the Rock VR, although the Rock VR has a lot of bells and whistles that you can tweak to make your thing go. So why don't you guys go ahead and click on that, and you should see a download here because it is free. I just had to hit the import button, but remember, after you download it, you still have to import. So make sure you import this. Okay, and then once you do that, you should be able to get into your Unity space, and it will be under Open in AV Pro Movie Capture. And you should get something that looks like this. And it stands outside of what you're doing. So I could start a capture now. It's only going to last for 10 seconds. That's the bad news because there is a paid version of that. So you could actually upgrade to that. But at least this will give you a nice flavor on how to do it. Again, you going back to the store, you can get several different types and prices. So I'm going to just go ahead and push play. And then I'm going to do the start capture. And 10 seconds is actually a lot longer than you would think. So I can move my thing around, and I'm almost there. Done. So at this point, I'm going to hit stop, and it will write directly to my folder. And so what I have to do is go to my actual Unity folder, and this is my title, and then here's everything underneath, including the solution file. So I am going to go to captures next, where it should exist, and it go ahead and it should play for me. There's it. And you can use that and show lots of people, including your teachers like me, what you've done.